Namaskar everyone. After a long time we are meeting. So now today we are starting the new chapter, that is decimal. Okay. This topic is not new for you. Every time we have discussed in the previous classes, it is related to fraction. Decimal is related to fraction. It means fraction can be converted into decimal can be converted into fractions. Okay. If in the fraction part, in the denominator is having zeros term, tenth, hundredth, thousands, so it is the decimal. It can be converted into decimal. So I have written here 1 upon 100. So I can convert into decimal like this, 0.01. Am I right? So you have seen how I have read the decimal number. Now I am telling you how do we read a number. Which number? How do we read a decimal number? Yes, children. Suppose I am taking this number. Okay. Now see the way I am reading. 7.645. So the reading way is similar as words, or we can say number name also. Okay. So whatever the reading we are doing, that is the same for number name. So what I have read just now, I am repeating 7.645. So I have to write the same number name, 7.64 and 5. Okay. So after decimal, it is my, I am showing here, before decimal is my whole number part. Which part is called? Whole number part. And this is called decimal part. What is called? Decimals part. So we can understand better with the help of the decimal table. It is compulsory to make understand. No need to learn. In the mathematics, no need to learn. In between, I am doing here point. We can say decimal also. In my right side, it is whole number part. So whole number part start from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and so on. And the first part in the decimal is called tenth, TENTHS. It is hundredth, it is thousandth. I am writing the full spelling here. The first place is tenths, hundredth, THS will join it. Okay. And thousandth. Okay. So it means whenever I am using the THS, it is called fraction part. It is called fraction. Okay.